Now we're going to talk about video view retargeting. This is incredibly important that you segment out these audiences. And it's going to be a little bit investment of your time, not a ton of time. Anybody can do this, but this is going to make a huge difference in how you target people, not only in your HOT7 audience, but as we create lookalike audiences later based off consumption. So please take the time to watch this video, follow the step-by-step instructions, and remember, you can only target video views to videos you have uploaded. So at least once a week, make sure you go inside of your custom audiences and update the video views. I'll show you how to do that in a minute after we go through the strategy here. So what we're going to do is any of our videos, of course, we want to run, of course, middle of funnel to keep in front of people. We're also going to segment some of these videos to run top of funnel. So again, this is all about segmentation. So what I want you to do is I want you to pull out a piece of paper or notebook, or you can take screenshots of this. We're going to set up custom audiences for each one of these different types of videos. So Facebook Lives, these are typically longer videos. So it's going to take a lot more effort to get people into 25%, 50%, 75%, 95%. So you're going to want to set up custom audiences for, again, HOT7 dash Facebook Live dash 25%, 50, 75, 95% for the last 7 days. Again, I'll walk you through how to do that in a minute. When you run your Facebook Lives, I highly suggest that you run them in mobile only. You're going to have higher watch times and you want to monitor consumption cost. I do not run Facebook Lives typically in the desktop if I just want to retarget people because it's a lot more expensive and people watch things a lot less. So I'm going to want to separate out my Facebook Lives, again, because they're bigger time buckets. Now, any videos that I have 4 minutes plus, I'm also going to create 25, 50, 75, and 95% view audiences. Again, these are 4 different audiences for people who watch videos that are longer than 4 minutes, but not Facebook Lives. You're also going to want to create a segment that's for videos under 4 minutes. Now, I like to create a segment from videos between 1 minute and 4 minutes. I'm going to create, again, these 4 different audiences: 25, 50, 75, 95% views. Again, it's videos between 1 minute and 4 minutes. The next one, to make it really easy, is 1 minute videos. Now remember, 1 minute videos can be run in the Instagram feed. Test it, but there's lower watch times in the Instagram feed. You must remember your video must be 1080 by 1080 to run it in the Instagram feed. But all videos that are a minute long, they're at least a minute long, are 25, 50, 75, and 95% views. See, minute-long videos are very critical to run on Instagram. They're the exact right time to run in the Instagram feed and mobile feeds. It's great for 1 minute videos, but separate out the 4 different audiences. The next thing that you're going to see is this. Let's create audiences of any videos that you have running on like the audience network that are running these in-stream ads for just 30 seconds. We want to basically divide people up who watch 30-second videos into 50, 75, and 95% views. You can see here we're creating a lot of audiences, but we're going to be able to segment if people watch a long time, a little bit of time, what video specifically. This is going to be really powerful for your marketing. Now, the other thing is middle of funnel where you have nothing to click. I'm going to show you, of course, if you haven't done it already, how to do Facebook in-stream video ads. There's nothing to click. It's a really quick announcement. It's only 15 seconds. And what we do is we separate these video views out by 50, 75, and 95% views. Again, it's a little work setting all this up, but it's going to make a huge difference for you later because I'm not just targeting people who watch 3 seconds or 10 seconds. There's a specific amount that we're looking for people to pass through that 50, 75, or 95%, especially at this 15 second. By the way, the other tip that I want to give you is when you're running in-stream ads, for example, like this. This right here is perfect to run on Instagram stories. But the thing is in Instagram stories, it's actually a really low watch time. We see a lot higher click-through rates and conversions for Instagram stories. So we're going to want to retarget 50, 75, and 95% views. But remember, Instagram stories will have low views typically, but a higher click-through rate, which is great for middle of funnel. Remember my little tip that I have down over here. You can go ahead and click on that little link down at the bottom, which is that Slidely. Whoops, that's covering that up now. And it'll show you the exact website that we use to create videos just like this. All right, let's move on to the next video where I show you how to create the HOT7 video retargeting audiences.